Hi folks, good afternoon. Here just Benny with Pierre Driving School. We're gonna do a video here. Many students been asking for. It's a pull-up parking at a parking lot, right? So after you get your license, you're gonna be driving the parking lot or whatnot. We're gonna make sure that we're gonna do a pull-up parking for you here. I'm gonna show you a method you cannot go wrong. All right, pay good attention to this because sometimes it get complicated as you get your license to do a pull-up parking. All right, so what you do first, you're in the parking lot, you start looking for parking. Okay, now pay good attention to what I'm about to show you now. Now when you get to the parking, make sure you stay in the middle of the street, because I've been seeing people having trouble to that. Where you're gonna do the parking from. If you're gonna do the left, you want to stay more to your right. If you're gonna do the right parking, you want to stay more to the left. In this instance, I'm gonna show what we're gonna do here. We're gonna do the parking here. We're gonna use the right side here, this parking. Now keep that in mind. When you're doing that parking, you want to pull up to where you're gonna do the parking. You're gonna use your right mirror. I'm gonna give you a reference point. You're gonna use your right mirror to see when your right mirror is passing the line that you're going to be doing the parking. I'm going to show this to you here. You see how the mirror is? The mirror passing the line that you're going to be doing the parking, right? Make sure that just like always, once you get to that level, you see how it is, guys? Exactly passing the line. Let me reverse it so you can see a little bit. You see I'm reversing the car. You don't want that right, because since I'm doing right parking, you don't want the right mirror to be that far. You see, we don't need it that way. I'm going to pull up. You want that mirror to be right underneath the white line that you're making the parking. You see what it is now? You don't want it to be that far. It's too end in the middle, because if there is another car, you cannot park. I'm reversing to see it exactly. I'm doing it slow so you guys can see the mirror. See the right mirror here? Right there, passing the light. When you get there, folks, you know, now, this is where all the magic happens. You turn the wheel completely to the right. That's where we're parking. Completely to the right, and you signal to the right. Guess what we do, folks? You know how we do. You're gonna verify it all around. I'm verified to my right, I'm verified to my left, I'm verified in the back because you're in the parking lot. You see, folks, I got the wheel completely with my foot covering the brake, folks. Do not accelerate. I'm gonna slightly take my foot off the brake, let the car take me in. Okay, guys? Now, as the car taking me in, okay, the car completely here, okay, guys, right over here. You see, I didn't turn the wheel not a single time. Then the car like to the right, I'm gonna turn the wheel 1.5 to the left. Watch me this here with the steering wheel. The steering wheel completely locked, just like we came in. We're gonna take out the half. This is the half here, okay? Then we're gonna take the completely out to the, we're gonna completely take it out to the left, all the way out to the left. That's when your steering wheel is straight. Just if you wanna make sure that you're straight, what you do, you can roll up a little bit, folks. Now, folks, I'm gonna open the door to the right. You're gonna be seeing how you're parking on the parking lot. Let's open the door. I'm not getting out, so I'm gonna just show you right into your parking. All right. Once again, folks, this is the best practical way to do this. In fact, now I'm doing it around. There is no car around, right? I'm gonna show you how it is practice. The same thing is if you were doing it with car around. All right. So why don't you guys come with me? Let me show you this with cars around you. Nothing changes, and it would have been the same thing if you're doing the parking to the left. Same thing if you're doing it to the right. They call that a pull-up parking at a parking lot. Now, just to back that up to you, I'm gonna show you doing this parking between two cars. It makes no difference. As a pro tip, once you just started, if you're nervous, not knowing really where to stop, always try to do it as best as you can when there is no car around. But living in New York City and Brooklyn, you're not gonna get these goodies when you go to those parking lots. It's gonna be empty unless you go late in the night or early morning, right? So now let me do it with you here one more time with cars parking, and you're gonna see how that's gonna go. It makes no difference. Same thing for the left, same thing for the right, okay? Now in this instant here, just for fun, we just did the left. We just did the right side. I'm gonna do the left side here with cars parked, and you're gonna see it's gonna be making no difference. All right, guys, we did the right already. Just for fun, let's do the left side here so we can see what I'm talking about. Okay, we're gonna do those between the big white truck and the two truck here. As a matter of fact, I like something tight. There's a person in the car. Let's do the big white truck here. Let me go look somewhere where people not in the car. You know how people nosy, they're not in our business, all right? So let me roll up. We're gonna do it right here with this car. We're gonna do left side parking. Nothing gonna change, okay? And be more to my right. You said you wanna be more on the other side, not close to this one that you're gonna be doing the parking. I'm loving this one. I'm gonna keep driving until my mirror on the left is right above the line that I'm parking at, right over here. All right, folks? Then from here, what are we gonna do? Lock the wheel end all the way to the left, because this is where we're parking in at, all right? So then from here, without doing anything, I do all my verification. Everything is clear. Then I'm letting my car in, guys. He works every single time. You see, I can even take my bovins off. We're not supposed to do that. I'm just thing now and let the bad boy come in. Okay? Not doing not even a single thing. Bam! Foot on the brake. You do not move the foot, okay? From here, we're gonna turn the wheel twice to the right. Twice to the right. Turn the wheel with me, folks. You see? Wheel like to the left, wheel like to the left, half to the right. Okay? Completely to the left. And all the way to the left. Okay? Beautiful. Then what we do, we put into parking. Then I'm gonna open the door again to my right side or the left side. Make no difference to right side. Check it out together, bro. Works like a charm every single time. You can never go wrong. Now the next thing is there for you to do is to subscribe, like this channel, and share this video to someone that may benefit to that, because once you do that, you'll be the first one to notify when we send a video. Until then, keep practicing. This has been with Pierre Driving School. If you have any question and comment, put it below. That's where all of our questions coming. Until then, keep practicing, folks. Take care now. Bye-bye.